Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice math Olympiad algebra problem. So here we have x square minus y square is equals to 12, and we solve this problem for all the values of x and y. So here you see that in the left hand side we have, this is the very famous algebraic formula. We know about that x square minus y square equals to x minus y times of x plus y is equals to 12. And now you see that in the left hand side we have two factors are multiplied by each other, but in the right hand side we have only one factor. First we need to find any positive integers whose product becomes here 12. So here you remember one thing is that our x and y should must be belongs to an positive integer. It means that we solve this problem for only positive integer values of x and y. So now here we need to find any positive integers whose product becomes 12. So these are 1 times of 12 is equals to 12, and 12 times of 1 is also equals to 12. 3 times of 4 becomes here 12, and 4 times of 3 becomes 12, and 6 times of 2 becomes 12, and 2 times of 6 is also becomes here 12. So we have these 6 possibilities, but here we choose the possibilities which is satisfied our given condition. So if we make the relation between x minus y and x plus y, you always say that x minus y is always less than or equals to x plus y. So here we choose those possibilities in which the first number is less than the second number. If we compare 1 and 12, you see that 1 is less than 12, so we choose this possibility. Or if you see 12 and 1, you see that 12 is greater than 1, or first number is greater than the second number, so we rejected this case. Similarly, in this case 3 is less than 4, we accept this case. 4 is greater than 3, we reject this case. And 6 is greater than 2, we reject this case. And 2 is less than 6, we accept this case. So it means that from these two 6 cases, we will get there are 3 possible cases which we can proceed here. And now here first we write our case number 1. Here we write our first case, and in the first case we compare x minus y and x plus y with 1 and 12, and we write it here. X minus y is equals to 1 and x plus y is equals to 12. And here we write our case number 2 or second case. In the second case we compare x minus y and x plus y with 3 and 4, and we write it as x minus y is equals to 3 and x plus y is equals to 4. So first we solve both of these two cases, and we get the values of x and y, and then we move towards our this third case. So here we first focus on case number 1, and we call that this is equation number 1, this is our equation number 2, and this is equation number 3, and this is our equation number 4. So first we just sum up equation number 1 and equation number 2. So when we add these two equations, you see here this is negative y and positive y are gone, and we get x plus x is equals to 2x, and 1 plus 12 is equals to 13. So here further we divide both of the sides by 2. You see that this 2 and this 2 are gone, and we get here x is equals to 13 divided by 2 becomes 6.5. Here you see that 6.5 is not an integer because 6.5 is not belongs to the positive integer. Okay, so if x is not belongs to the positive integer, so that we rejected this case, because we will just proceed, or we will just solve this problem for only positive integer values of x and y. And now here we proceed our second case, and in the second case we again sum up equation number 3 and equation number 4. So when we add both of these two equations, you see that this is negative y and positive y are also cancelled out by each other, and we get x plus x is equals to 2x, 3 plus 4 becomes here 7. And now again we divide both of the sides by 2 in order to get the values of x. So this 2 and this 2 are cancelled out by each other, and we get here x is equals to 7 divided by 2. So 7 divided by 2 is equals to again 3.5. So 7 divided by 2 becomes 3.5, and you also see that 3.5 is again not belongs to positive integer. So we again rejected our second case, and now here we all focus into the case number 3. So for case number 3, we just compare both of the sides. We compare x minus y and x plus y factor with 2 and 6. So after comparison of the values, we get here x minus y is equals to 2 and x plus y is equals to 6. So here we called that this is our equation number 5 and this is our equation number 6. So we need to solve both of these two equations for the values of x and y. And now here we add equation number 5 and equation number 6. So when we add these two equations, we get here x plus x becomes 2x is equals to this negative y and positive y are cancelled out by each other, and we get 2 plus 6 becomes here 8. And now for the values of x, we divide both of the sides by 2 and we write it as this 2 and this 2 are cancelled out by each other, and we get here x is equals to this is 2 times 4 becomes here 8. So you see that here we get the value of x is equals to 4, and we clearly see that this 4 is belongs to the positive integer. And now here in the next step we first add 5 and 6 equation, and now we subtract equation number 5 and equation number 6. So when we subtract these two values, we just need to change the sign. So this x and x are gone, and we get minus y becomes minus 2y, and this 2 minus 6 becomes here minus 4. And now we divide both of the sides by minus 2. This minus 2 and this minus 2 are cancelled out by each other, and we get here y is equals to this is 2 times 2 becomes here 4. So we just get here y is equals to sorry, this is minus 2, y is equals to plus 2. Okay, so this is the value of y, and here you again clearly see that our y is also must be belongs to the positive integer. So now we get these are the two values of x and y. And now in the next step we need to verify these values of x and y. Is this value of x and y satisfied our given question statement or not? So for verification of this, we need to copy down given question statement. Here it is x square minus y square equals to 12, and here we put x is equals to 4 and y is equals to 2, and it will becomes 4 square minus 2 square equals to 12. And you clearly see here 4 square becomes 16 minus 2 square becomes 4 equals to 12, and we easily get here 12 equals to 12. This means that both of the sides are equal. So this concludes about that the values of x and of y is equals to 4 and 2 be the only one solution of the given equation which we get here in this method. This is the final answer, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.